Hello everyone, it's fantastic to have you back. Today, I'm excited to guide you through the process of mapping a P&ID control valve and other inline instruments to 3D piping models in AutoCAD Plant 3D. Let's dive right in. By default, the control valve and several inline instruments aren't mapped in the project setup. So, let's start by mapping the control valve in the P&ID object mapping. You can use the same steps for other inline instruments. First, open your project. Then, navigate to the project setup. In the project setup, switch to the Plant 3D DWG settings node, followed by P&ID object mapping. Next, go to Engineering Items, then Instrumentation, and select Inline Instruments to find the control valve. In the Plant 3D class mapping section, click on Add. If you wish to map a valve, in the Select Plant 3D class mapping dialog, head to Piping and Equipment, then Pipe Run Component, and select Valve. Keep in mind that if you map the subtypes valve in the P&ID object mapping, the properties from the P&ID part won't show up in the 3D model when you place a control valve using the Plant P&ID line list palette. In the Properties section, choose the subtypes based on the control valve body type used in your project. Click OK to complete the mapping. If you want to pull all the data from the P&ID part into the 3D piping model, start by creating a control valve under the class Inline Instruments in the Spec Editor of Plant 3D. To map the inline instrument, in the Select Plant 3D class mapping dialog box, go to Piping and Equipment, then Pipe Run Component, then Instrument, and select the inline instrument. In the Properties section, opt to map to all subtypes of this class. Click OK to finalize the mapping. In the Property Mapping section, ensure each P&ID property aligns with the corresponding Plant 3D property. Once done, click OK to save and exit the project setup. That's all for today's session. You have successfully configured P&ID object mapping for control valves and inline instruments in AutoCAD Plant 3D. If you found this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you next time.